Good afternoon, classmates. This is Randy Seidlinger, and I would like to welcome you to my sustainability project presentation. This project qualifies as a sustainability project because it focuses on the reduction of the use of electricity. It also cuts down on air pollution, and it allows the company to sinter parts at a higher rate, which would ultimately reduce the sintering cost. The quality would also improve, and this is the main focus of my internship. It is for these reasons that I selected this project, and I hope it meets with your approval. The project I work on for this class will be a sustainability project identified at my internship. It involves upgrading our sintering furnaces with a process developed by TAT Technologies. This process uses the volatile gases given off from the lubricants found in our powdered metal parts as a heat source that preheats the parts being sintered. This source of heat is free, and when used as a heat source for the preheat zone, it also makes the exhaust gases cleaner when it is released into the atmosphere. I will be working on the justification for this project with the operations manager and sintering manager. What is sintering? Sintering is part of the firing process used in the manufacture of powdered metal parts. Let's make this process simple by using an analogy. A sintering furnace is similar to a pizza oven. Both of these have a belt which continuously brings the product through the hot zone. The unbaked pizza is like a green powdered metal part. When the product comes out the other end, the process is complete. The pizza is baked and ready for consumption, and the green powdered metal part is now hardened and fused together so that additional manufacturing processes are ready to take place. What makes up the sintering cost? There are 6 things that make up your sintering cost as illustrated on this slide. They are atmosphere inside the furnace, electric power, operator costs, maintenance cost, reject or scrap part cost, and quality control. Let me tell you a bit about myself. I have over 20 years experience in the powdered metal industry. I was hired as the quality manager for my internship. I am working with the sintering manager and operations manager on this project. What I have found in my recent work experiences is that there is a bottleneck currently in our manufacturing process when it comes to the sintering furnace. This will mean an annual cost savings of over $86,000. The total cost of the furnace upgrade is $70,000, which means the cost will be recouped in less than a year. Environmental issues associated with the furnace upgrade are reduction of volatile emissions, reduction of nitrogen and hydrogen used for the atmosphere, and reduction of electric power by 25%. This project will add 10 feet of length to the sintering furnace. The added length will have a preheat section that will burn off lubricants and volatiles. As the volatiles burn, it creates more heat without added costs, allowing the belt furnace to move parts at a faster rate. The burning off of the volatiles will prevent harmful emissions. The furnace upgrade will benefit Cameron Diversified Products by increasing the speed at which parts are sintered. There will be an increase in sintering production and an improvement in part quality as well. The 7 practices according to our textbook. Number 1, practice planful opportunism. Number 2, influence the influencers. Number 3, piggyback existing initiatives. Number 4, meet them where they are. Number 5, collaborate, educate, network. Number 6, dialogue. And number 7, get credible, stay credible. The sustainability change model, step 1, is wake up and decide. The sustainability objective is upgrade the sintering furnace. The sustainability practices are study manufacturing processes, study manufacturing costs, and research cost effectiveness of upgrade. Step 2, is inspire shared visions. The sustainability practices are design and implement a comprehensive evaluation plan to assess the effectiveness. Hold regular dissemination meetings with the stakeholders and build recognition for success. Step 3, assess current realities. At this step, it is important to keep your eye on your long-term goals. You need to maintain flexibility, develop alternative strategies, and get regular feedback from stakeholders. Step 4, develop strategies. Sustainability practices are hold regular comprehensive staff training and preparation on key sustainability factors. Conduct regular trainings on key implementation and sustainability factors. Research grant requirements. Attain multiple sources of funding and develop fundraising strategies. Some derailers in this step are failing to produce results, mishandling dialogue with owners or failure to communicate, and succumbing to stress during grant writing process. Grant writing can be very stressful. Step 5, build the case for change. Sustainability practices are comprehensive staff training, cost justification, grant writing narrative and budget justification, develop working relationships with utility companies. Derailers are changing everything at once, succumbing to stress, being a problem child, or whining, complaining, need to be curtailed. Step 6, mobilize commitment. The sustainability practices are collaborate, network, communicate, develop a timeline, continually evaluate, and educate. Derailers are perception of hubris, succumbing to stress, being a problem child, a no-whine zone, mishandling office politics. Stick to the topic and don't allow personal feelings to enter into the progress of the project. Step 7, embed and align. The sustainability practices are continually collaborate, networking, communication, ongoing education and training, review and reevaluate periodically. Derailers are perception of the hubris, succumbing to stress, mishandling office politics. These changes will come about by 1, collaboration, 2, buy-in by the owners, 3, education and training, 4, research and development, 5, networking, 6, communication, and 7, we finally get commitment. These are the 7 paradoxes. Number 1, you have to do it yourself. You can't do it alone. Motivators inhibit commitment. Go slow to go fast. To get hard results, work on the soft stuff. One person's dream is another's nightmare. Go small to go big, and things need to get worse before they can get better. The 7 paradoxes. Are you ready for a change? Real sustainable change doesn't happen in a moment. It's a process. Don't wait, begin today. Thank you.